All right, you're just in time. We're getting ready to take a look around the Maple Motors lot. I'm getting ready to show you some brand new inventory. These rides are so new on the lot, they're not available yet. They will become available around noon on Monday. So check Maple Motors' website, maplemotors.com, to get the latest information on all these rides you're about to see. I'm going to show you the inside and out. We're going to take a look under the hoods. Man, we got some strong classics on the lot this week. I have a feeling most of these aren't going to last long. And while I was here filming, there were people coming up and asking about some of these rides, interested in them. So I don't know how long they're going to last, but I'm giving you the earliest look possible. So we're going to start off at the front of the lot with this 1968 Chevy Chevelle. It's priced at $27,900. Let's take a look at it. Moving on down the front row, we got 3 new rides in a row here, and all of them are great options. First, we're looking at a 1964 Pontiac GTO, and it's a 4-speed. This one is clean, and that's reflected in the price. It is priced at $42,900. You're gonna see why. Let's take a look. Coming up front and center of the lot, man, a 1969 Pro Street Chevelle. It's got a roll cage, fat tires, I mean, this thing's ready to race whenever you are. And I'm partial to the color. I'm going to call it Tennessee Orange. This one's priced at $37,900. Let's take an exclusive first look. And not to be outshined by the Pro Street Chevelle, we got something a little newer. You're looking at a 1996 Chevy Impala SS. It's priced at $22,900. And yes, 1996 is considered a classic. Let's take a look at it. Next up, we got another Chevy Impala SS. This one's a 95, it's 1 year older, and about half the price of the 96. These Impalas typically don't last long on the lot, and I'm sure this one's gonna be no exception with a price tag under 13 grand. That's getting harder to find these days. Let's take a look at it. And switching back to the other side of the lot, you're looking at a 1967 Ford Mustang convertible. It's priced at $29,900. I know not everyone's a fan of the yellow, but man, this one's still a looker. Let's check it out. going back to the 50s in this 1955 Chevy Bel Air. It's got the red and white paint scheme and the interior to match, priced at $39,900. Who doesn't love a classic Bel Air? Let's check it out. And we didn't forget about you truck guys. Here's one for you. You're looking at a 1969 Chevy C10, priced at $28,900. Let's have a look at it. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. Looking forward to all these test drives, and I want to thank you guys for sticking around. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on the first look at all the brand new rides on the Maple Motors lot. You're going to see them here first. Hope you guys have a great week. See you next time.